Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to create a new wallet for TokenPocket in this video. Let's get started. Start by opening TokenPocket on your device. Tap on No Accounts to create a new account. Select any network. I'm selecting HD Wallet. Then enter a username for your account. Then enter any password. Make sure the password is easy to remember and strong as well. Now enter your password again right below. Tap on the small circle at the bottom to agree terms of services. Then tap on Create Wallet. Tap on Understood. This step is crucial to recover your account if you lose your access to your device. Read the following phrases carefully, then tap on each circle. Then tap on Generate Mnemonic. Now it will generate 12-word secret phrases. Make sure to note them down in the correct order. After you note the phrases in the correct order, tap on Completed Backup, verify it now at the bottom. Then enter the phrases in the correct order. Then tap on Confirm. Now select the networks that you want to use and manage. Then tap on Continue at the bottom. Tap on Confirm. You will have to go through some tutorials to start for your account. And that is how to create a new wallet for TokenPocket app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.